Mizani is a design-forward self-care system that transforms how people relieve pain and build mobility without looking or feeling like traditional fitness or self-care equipment. We bring to the market a radically unique look, including minimalist natural materials that support a professional-grade guided method, teaching users how to recover anywhere from their home, at the gym, or on the road. In short, Mizani doesn't just sell tools. It teaches people how to repair their body. Let's unpack what Mizani delivers. 1. Story and problem. Today's consumer is caught between three extremes: clinical recovery tools that are effective but cold, intimidating, and inconsistent in use; fitness products that are visually generic, trend-driven, and often lack functionality; most importantly, no tutorial apps for the digital wellness boom era. The result? People buy tools but don't use them. Relief is elusive. And from retail space to home spaces flooded with gimmicks instead of underwhelming tutorials, instead of synergetic systems. 2. Solution/merchandise. Line consumers are actively seeking aesthetically pleasing products that fit their living space, and with easy-to-follow, self-guiding apps. The Mizani system bridges this gap with a cohesive ecosystem of tools plus method plus design. Our core SKU line. Mizani Hero Kit is our anchor product, which includes the ring tool, ball tool, foam roller tool, storage hamper, and Mizani app. Retails between $95 and $140. Core tools retail individually between $5 and $45. In every Hero Kit comes the essential Mizani digital self-care app, a $7 one-time purchase value. 3. Product design. Mizani is designed to live in the home, not hidden in a closet. Our materials are consciously sourced natural cork with wood-inspired finish. Mizani sits comfortably on retail shelves such as wellness retail stores, home/lifestyle stores, premium fitness spaces, and boutique-forward environments. 4. Trends supporting Mizani. The multi-billion-dollar at-home wellness and recovery industry is in its growth that begs for a leader in this niche market. With retail stores embracing aesthetic trends, our design-integrated fitness products will match their customers' desires. Finally, in an era where digital accompanies product, we match customer expectations with professional, user-friendly apps. 5. Retail performance expectations. Retail success requires velocity drivers. We created an attractive bundle economics with our Hero Kit, a clear entry point, strong attach rate, high giftability, cross-merchandising across fitness, wellness, and home all drive AOV. Our target wholesale margin is 40 to 50%. Mizani resolves one of the last rogue healthcare disciplines, galvanizing a once vague practice through tools people want to display, actual method to learn with intellectual support. Leaving every buyer remembering Mizani isn't just a brand, it's a method.